Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinbase. Secure crypto account access step by step clearly. Open your web browser or install the official Coinbase app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Before you type anything, confirm the website is exactly Coinbase.com or the app publisher is Coinbase Inc. Avoid clicking login links from emails, ads, or direct messages to reduce phishing risk. On the Coinbase homepage or app screen, tap or click Sign In. Enter the email address you used when you created your Coinbase account. Type your password carefully, making sure caps lock is not accidentally enabled. If you are on a shared or public device, do not select any option that says Remember Me or Keep Me Signed In. Click or tap Continue to proceed to the security verification step. Complete the two-step verification prompt if you have 2FA enabled on your account. If you use an authenticator app, open it and enter the current 6-digit code within the time limit. If you use SMS verification, check your phone for the code and enter it exactly as shown. If you use a security key, insert it or connect it and follow the on-screen instructions. If you see a prompt about a new device, review the device and location details before approving. If you receive a verification request you did not initiate, deny it and change your password immediately. After verification, wait for Coinbase to load your account dashboard. Check the top of the page for the padlock icon and secure connection indicators in your browser. Confirm your profile name and email and settings to ensure you are logged into the correct account. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and follow the reset steps from the official page only. Create a new strong password that is long, unique, and not used on any other site. Store your password in a reputable password manager instead of saving it in a Notes app. If you cannot access 2FA, use Coinbase account recovery options and follow the identity verification instructions. Never share your password, 2FA codes, or recovery links with anyone, even if they claim to be support. For extra protection, enable two-step verification with an authenticator app instead of SMS if possible. Review your recent account activity and devices list after logging in, especially on a new phone or computer. If something looks unfamiliar, sign out of all sessions and update your password and 2FA immediately. When you finish your session, open the account menu and choose Sign Out. On mobile, also consider enabling device lock, biometrics, and app PIN for quicker and safer access. Keep your app and operating system updated to reduce security vulnerabilities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.